Namaste. I am K. Ashwini. I am going to handle class 3 subject science lesson name Magic of Life. Topic Living Things and Non-Living Things. Part 1 presented by Ashwini. Okay. Shall we see some fun facts on this lesson? Yes. First we will see about human eyes. Your eyes blinks about 20 times a minute. You blink your eyes 20 times like this, like this. You blink your eyes for 20 times a minute. Then we will see about our ears and tongue. What is ears? What is ears? This is ear. Hair never stop growing. Okay, hair will grow, and it will never stop growing. And ear wax is actually a type of sweat. Tongue. Tongue is covered about 8,000 taste buds, and that helps to taste your food. Tongue is made up of eight muscles. These taste buds are all over the tongue. Okay, next we will move to the topic. We will move to this lesson. Okay, in this lesson you will be able to understand about what are living things and non-living things, what is the characteristic of living things and non-living things, and list out the living things and non-living things. Next, shall we see what is living things? Students, can you guess what is living things? What are living things? Yes, we come around many things in this world. Some are alive and some are not alive. The things which are alive and come around us is called as living things. And the things which are not alive and that it does not come around us, it is called as living, non-living things. You can see a picture like living things. Yes, there's a human being, plants, bacteria, animals, reptiles, insects, fungus. These are all living things. These are all, except these many things we come around us. In this world, many things can live. That is called as living things. We are also a living because we are living. So we are called as living thing. Human being is called as living thing. What is non-living things here? In this picture, you can see a rainbow, toy, ball, car, torchlight, and everything. Okay, that is called as non-living things. These are all can't move, can't able to move. So these are all called non-living things. Okay, okay. Next picture. In this picture, can you identify what is living things and non-living things? Can you say what are all living things and non-living things? Students, can you see the picture? Yes, that boys and girls are running in the park. That is called as living things. These boys and girls are called living things because they are giving a movement. They are called as living things. Okay, that rainbow, tree, that sea, duck, everything are non-living thing. Okay, these are all non-living things because they are not alive. Living things need something to stay alive. What are all the essential things to stay alive? Can you guess? That is air, water, and food. Okay, next. In this picture, can you identify what is a living thing and a non-living thing? Living things and non-living things. Living things are, what is living things? Living things are birds, duck, hen. These animals in this pictures all are living things. The toys, tree, mountains, some others, etc. Toys and all giving. No, that are all non-living things. Okay. Then we can see a characteristic of living things. Characteristic means what are the living things? What are all living things can do? Non-living things cannot do anything because they are not alive. But living things can do everything because they are alive. Non-living things cannot do anything because they are not alive. Okay. First one is movement. Movement means running, jogging, everything. Movement. Okay. Next one, movement, growth. Growth means growing. Step by step we are growing. Next one, respiration. Inhale, exhale. We are doing no. That is a respiration. Then sensitivity, touching, feeling. We feel no. That is called sensitivity. Then nutrition, eating. We are eating some foods that are called nutrition. Okay. Excretion, excreting some wastes in our body, that is called excretion. Reproduction, reproduction means her hen lays the eggs. In this further topic, I will explain all these things and I will say everything what is living, what is the characteristic of living thing and non-living things. Okay, first we will see what is growth. Can you take your childhood picture and see the childhood picture? In this childhood picture, you will see you as a baby, right? Small born baby. As time passes, you will grow and you will become a adult. Yes, correct. You will become a adult. Then you become old. You cannot do anything. Likewise. Okay. See, for example, a hen also hatches out an egg and then it grows into a hen or a rooster. Okay. Living things grow and change in height, size, and appearance. When they become old, they die. Usually, living things, see here in this picture, you can see a small baby. Then that baby grows into a 1 year child, then it goes into a little small, then it goes into adult, then it goes into a older age. Yes, right. That is the growth. Usually living things are smaller in size when they start their lives. They gradually increase in size through their lives, still they become adults. For example, human babies grows, as I say last, first, as I say in first, human babies grow and become adults over time. Okay, next we will see what is respiration. Place a hand on your chest and what do you feel? We feel our chest moving up and down. Hmm. You can breathe, right? You can feel it, right? That is movement. Movement is due to breathing. Animals like cows, cat, dogs, and animals, every animals move through their lungs. But fish, can anyone say where, how does a fish breathe? Fish breathe through their gills. Okay. Okay, can anyone say how does we breathe? We breathe through our lungs. Yes, very good. Respiration is the process that all living things go through to create energy and they need to live. Yes, respiration, because of respiration only we are living now. Okay, through respiration only we can create energy. We breathe air in and out all time. We will do some exercise in respiration like exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Like that we are doing, no? That is respiration. We breathe air in and out. We are taking in oxygen and giving out the carbon dioxide. The air used by our body to get energy from the food we eat. After eating, we are getting energy. That air is used by our body. Okay, the process of using the air that we breathe to get energy from our food is called as respiration. Then movement. What is movement? Many living things move from one place to another. Okay. They usually, why do we move? Can anyone guess why do we move? We move. Why do we move? Can anyone guess why do we move? Yes. Very good. We move in finding of shelter, food, water, and to escape from danger and to avoid extreme cold or hot condition. For example, in this lesson I have given, for example, squirrel may move in search of food or to escape from being eaten by other animals. Okay. Okay. How do we move? Can anyone say how do we move? How human beings can move? Through what we move? Yes, very good. We move through our legs, hands, and everything. Legs. We move through our legs. Okay. How do we move? We walk, run, jog, skip. Okay. Insects fly through what? How do insects fly? Insects fly through wings and legs. Insects fly through wings and legs. Fish swim through it fins and tails. Okay, this is called as movement. Okay, next sensitivity. We feel touch. If we touch our body, we feel cold or hot. In this summer, we feel very hot. Okay, we sweat a lot. Okay, all living things are aware of occurrence in their surroundings and respond to them. Humans of other animals also have a sense of sight, touch, smell, taste, and hearing. Okay, sensitivity. What is a sensitivity? Can anyone guess? Sensitivity is touch, sight, smell, taste, hearing, everything is sensitivity. Okay, for example, if your mom cooks something in your home, like some important dish like chicken, mutton, biryani, and everything. If you smell a dish, and what is that? If you smell a dish and you will say, wow, yummy, like that you will say, or you will say, wow, super taste, like that you will say, or super smell, you will say, right? That is called as sensitivity. You're sensing something, that is called as sensitivity. The process by which a living thing identifies and responds to a stimulus is called as sensitivity. For example, we shiver in cold. We shiver when it is cold. We cover our ears when we hear our loud noises. Yes. When we shiver, we cover our clothes. We cover it with our clothes when it is cold. And when we hear loud noises, we cover our ears, right? This is called as sensitivity. Next, nutrition. Living things need food and water to live. Living things need food to perform various functions, such as walking and running. Yes, if we eat food only, we can walk, run, and we can do some exercise. We can be very active. If you are not eating, won't be active. We will become lazy. The process of obtaining nutrients that are necessary for growth and other life processes is called nutrition. For growth, it is for growth. This nutrition is connected with growth. Okay, by this nutrition only we will grow. By the basic necessity of growth is nutrition. By this nutrients only we will grow. For example, rabbit eat plants, birds eat insects. Rabbit eats plants, birds eats insects. In this picture, what you can see? Yes, very good. Monkey is eating a watermelon. Yes, monkey is also a kind of human being. It will eat all things. Rabbit will eat a plants. Bird will eat insects. Everything. Okay, this is called as nutrition. Actually, we need nutrition to grow. Then only we can grow into a 1 year child. Then we can grow into an adult. Then we can become a old. We will become old. Okay, this is called as nutrition. Then, can you find out what do they eat? The picture shown here, no? Can you find what does cow eat? Cow eat grass or hamburger? Yes, very good. Cow eat grass. What does dog eat? Dog eat a bone or a basil? Eats bone. Very good. What does penguin eat? Shrimp or soda? Shrimp. Yes, very good. What does a baby eat? Salmon, streak, or milk? What does a baby drink? While you're in a small age, what do you drink? We drink milk. Okay. These are the food items eaten by some animals. Okay. Next topic we will see about excretion. Waste produced in our body and moved through a process is called excretion. Okay. In this summer, what do you feel? We feel some sweat in our body. That is called as excretion. That is waste part of our body. It comes out of our body. This is called as excretion. Excess water and harmful wastes produced in our body are excreted as sweat and urine. Every waste products will come out of our body as sweat and urine. We pass urine, no? That is also a waste product from our body excreted out. Okay, last one is reproduction. Reproduction means the process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind is called as reproduction. In this picture, what you can see, hen hatches a egg, then egg hatches into a chick or rooster. Okay, the chicken only we are eating. Okay, this is called as reproduction. Hen hatches into a egg, no, egg hatches into a chick. This is called as reproduction. Then below part you can see a mother and father and a baby. Okay, animal reproduce either by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. For example, hen lays eggs that hatch into a chicken. Cow, cow gives birth to what? Cow give birth to a calf. Okay, very good. Then human being give birth to a babies. Very good. Fish lays into a first fish will lay an egg, then it will convert into a small fish. Okay, this is called as reproduction. Okay students, next we will match some given example with its process. Okay, Ram eats apple when he is hungry. What is this? Can you say what is this? Ram eats an See, Ram eats an apple when he is hungry. This is sensitivity. Okay. A dog hears the burst of firecracker and runs away. That is called movement. Very good. Okay. A dog passes urine. What is this? Can you say? That is excretion. That is what? Excretion. Okay. The turtle lays eggs on the beach. That is called reproduction. These are the life process we have seen. Okay. What are the things we have seen here? Shall we summarize? Yes, living things, non-living things, and 7 characteristics. Okay. What are living things? The things that are alive and come around us is called as living things. Things that are not alive, which does not move around us, is called as non-living things. Okay, 7 characteristics we have seen in this topic. What are the 7 characteristics? Growth, movement, nutrition, sensitivity, reproduction, and excretion. Thank you students, thank you so much.